Alright guys, this is my grandpa's shrine. There it is. Oh, you may not see it. Sorry, wait. He made this inside of the shrine. Everything. Can I turn it on a little? And see, it's all we done. Keep it down a little. You can see it. See, there's the shrine. The shrine is from, but it has no driver on the front. So, here's the inside. And then the outside. Goes up, and then the other way. And that's the bridge, and this is where we call it my town, because, well, got these cars. And these are really unique cars, so yeah. Me and my grandpa worked this for years, and we nearly did it. So yeah, here's a water tank, here's the thing, and work things, and here's just, I don't know, building area. But there's this other train. It's red, blue one, green one, and that one, and this one definitely. We got this one, Tom. And we do have the old Thomas tank engine. He's somewhere inside of this right here. We control it. Now we turned it up. And okay. And now let me show you all the stuff that my grandpa did under the tables. It's right here. See the stuff on the table he has to do. He does a lot of things. Even more thing, it's right here. It goes around. This way he connects these things. And there's my hole. Monster trucks. We got old cars. This is really red. Sorry. See, it's wine. So that's how they got wine in the olden days. I got old cars. Well, I got the packs. So the tank didn't always really come together, but I also got this together. And got this nice, beautiful car. Admire it. It's cool, right? You realize that, oops, how does it open? Well, you think it does open. Or maybe you think it does open. Maybe it doesn't. Ta-da, it does open. Oh, look at this, guys. You guys see? You boop it out. You go surfing. Now, I'll drive, whatever. And I'll just run around and show you everything. This is the best thing that I've ever done with my grandpa. Hopefully, yeah. There's a mess in my house. It's over here. It's real, but not. Here, see everything. We got this, yeah. And we got this. This is originally my house, but I have two houses, so who cares? Like, you drive around. Let's do it this way. You drive around. Go around, there's the shops. Go here. You gotta go over to the other side because this is what I would do. Excuse me. Yup. Yup. Get my thing out here. And this goes thing. Yep, it's really nice. So we got this here. It's nice car. Actually, it's pretty nice car. Got this from a shop. It's really nice. So yeah, got a tractor, got cows, got horses, got plenty of shops.